Quantum particles are like flipping a coin. While the coin is flipping, you don't know if it's going to be head or tail until it hits the table. But if you were very good at physics and you really had nothing else to do with your life, you could exactly predict whether it's going to end up being head or tail. You just need to know how hard you flipped it and what's the air frictions and all those variables. But the outcome is already determined the moment you flip it. But if you could do the same thing with the quantum particles, while it was flipping, there would be no way for you to ever predict whether the particle is going to end up being head or tail. You don't know it, the particle doesn't know it, the universe doesn't know it. That outcome simply doesn't even exist yet. And that's a very strange thing, that the quantum physics is fundamentally probabilistic. There is no way to determine things before they actually happen, before they hit the table, they hit the detector. So it begs the question, why? The thing about the normal coin that you have is that someone has made that coin. Someone has spent energy to give it the both sides. You gave it energy, so the coin could start flipping. That act of giving it the energy created this situation that resulted in a decision. It's just that this decision, the outcome is happening a little bit later. When it gets to the quantum particles, if a particle is created, for example, when an electron is created, an electron can have a spin up and down. There is nothing at that moment to tell the electron whether to be a spin up or down. The choice is there, but just because you have a choice doesn't mean you get to make a decision, because making decision requires energy, and there's nothing there to give the particle that energy. So the electron simply picks both of them. And that's very fundamental to this universe, that particles always stay in this state that is just the probability state of all things possible. And this is why the particles get to be everywhere, in all positions, all at once. And all we can do is to be here and to drink for them.